how to find Airtable record ID. In this video, I'll show you how to find Airtable record ID. So to get started, go ahead and open that specific base where you want to find the record ID. So once you're inside the base, go ahead and head over into your table where you want to find the record ID. From here, go ahead and click on this plus icon, which you'll find at the rightmost side of your table. And then from here, go ahead and search for formula, and then click on formula, and then set the formula here as record ID. So after that, click on this create formula button, and then this would be summoned. And then go ahead and click on this create field button to create this field for your table on your workspace. And then as you can see, you'll be able to find your record ID on this section. And that is how you can basically find Airtable record ID. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.